Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these white chocolate macadamia nut cookies with cranberries. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we are cooking out of my cookbook. This is my Live Life Keto cookbook. It has over 100 delicious and easy keto recipes. And today we're making keto white chocolate macadamia nut cookies with cranberries. And they're so yummy. So we're gonna get started with that. It's on page 241 in my cookbook, and look at how pretty they're going to look. So we're gonna start with 3 cups of almond flour. And we've got it in this bowl right here. I like to use Blue Diamond brand almond flour. I think that is just the best one. It's not gritty, it's really nicely finely ground. So now we're gonna add the rest of our dry ingredients. We're gonna add 2/3 of a cup of granular sweetener, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. And that's our dry ingredients. And now we're gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of softened butter. And I like to have it cut up into smaller pieces just so it's easier to incorporate. 2 beaten eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to use an electric mixer to combine all of the ingredients with the almond flour. Now we're going to fold in 9 ounces of white chocolate chips. I like to use Lily's brand, a 1/2 cup of chopped macadamia nuts, and 1/4 cup of dried chopped cranberries. Now we are going to fold in our yummy stuff. And this is a thick batter, as most cookie batters are. Okay, I've got a silicone lined sheet tray, and you're actually gonna need 2 because this recipe makes 24 cookies. I'm gonna divide the cookies into 2 tablespoon portions, and with a scoop. I love using these scoops for cookies or biscuits and stuff like that. So each tray will hold 12 cookies. This is perfect for a holiday party when you want to make sure there's something there that's sugar-free. Or you could put them in the freezer and just pull one out every time you want a cookie. Okay, these are going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. You're going to want to rotate the pans halfway through the baking time. Okay, look at how good these cookies look. We pull them out of the oven and let them cool, and now they're ready to eat. So let's give a bite, or try a bite. Those are so good. If you're interested in my cookbook, Live Life Keto, the link to order is down in the description or in the caption of this video. So be sure you check that out. And you'll get this recipe and over 100 other easy recipes. They all have full color pictures. They have the macros, everything. So check that out, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.